Whoa, that's a pretty big Easter egg. The chocolate will last for ages. Oh. That's not actually that much. Why? Pause. Yes. Unfortunately, while Easter eggs may seem big and have a lot of chocolate in them, the sad truth is they are hollow and deceive us right in front of our eyes. So how much chocolate should we be expecting in an Easter egg? Well, today we're gonna find out. So, our Easter egg is an ellipsoid. This is basically just a squashed sphere or a 3D oval. Now, this is no ordinary ellipsoid. This is a prolate ellipsoid, which means when it's rotated, it can form a perfect circle, or in other words, length A is equal to length C. Now, all we need to measure is length A and length B, and we do 4/3 pi AB squared to get the volume. But this is going to be the volume for the entire thing, and as we know, this deceptive Easter egg is hollow. To find the amount of chocolate, we can do the volume of the entire ellipsoid minus the volume of the hollow part. And instead of having to find x and y, we can still use b and a, and we just minus the thickness. If thickness is t, then a minus t equals y and b minus t equals x. So the volume of the whole ellipsoid would be 4/3 pi ba squared, and the hollow part would be 4/3 pi times b minus t times a minus t squared. We need to do the whole minus the hollow, so it will be 4/3 pi ba squared minus 4/3 pi times b minus t times a minus t squared to get the amount of chocolate. Let's do an example of how we use this formula. So we grab an Easter egg and we unpack it. Make sure that my cat doesn't come anywhere near, because cats plus chocolate, it doesn't end well. Not gonna lie, it doesn't end well. So we get him out of the way and okay, he's come back. Okay, let's just get him away. And so, okay, right, let's find the dimensions of this egg. So, 17 centimeters divided by 2 is 8.5, 11.5 centimeters divided by 2 is 5.75, and the thickness is 0.3 centimeters. We now have our values. A equals 5.75 centimeters, B equals 8.5 centimeters, and T equals 0.3 centimeters. And we use this to find out that Y equals 5.45 centimeters and X equals 8.2 centimeters. This makes our final formula 4/3 pi times 8.5 times 5.75 times 5.75 minus 4/3 pi times 8.2 times 5.45 times 5.45, which equals 156.957 centimeters cubed. However, we should expect a slightly higher result as the two ends of the egg have a higher T. Was this prediction correct? Let's find out. I unwrapped my egg and carefully broke it up by beating it to death with a lightsaber. I broke it all up and put it into a measuring jug thing and shoved it into the microwave. I kept mixing and stirring and melting it until it was all at a good consistency, and I smoothed it out so I could actually read the measurement, and I got 160 milliliters. And as 1 milliliter equals 1 centimeter cubed, our formula was pretty much correct, and I was right about the practical being slightly higher due to the thicker sides. Anyway, my fishes, I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Make sure to leave a like if you did and subscribe if you're new. Anyway, that's it from me, and goodbye.